Hey guys, Dr. Chris. I'm going to take you through a handful of the home rehab kit videos in separate pieces so you can go back to them and watch them if you're ever having questions on how to do the exercises at home. So part of your home rehab kit that you're given, you'll get a cervical traction unit. The way that you'll set this up is you can do it one of two ways. Inside your box will be a black pad that you can throw over top of your door frame, and you can tie the rope of the traction unit in the appropriate height for your neck. Where you want that to be is you'd want to have the rope or the C-shaped portion of this traction unit resting right below your chin. And that's how you know it's set up at the right height. If it's too high or too low, obviously it's going to hyperextend your neck if it's too high. If it's too low, you're going to be having to do too much of a squat to get in the proper position. So I'll demonstrate with you how I want this to be done. When you're putting this on your door, because of body weight so we don't warp the door, if you do use the black piece that goes over top of the door, put that as close as you can to the hinge, because that's going to be better off to bear your weight. Other folks like to put a utility hook up in a room they're not using, or if they have a small mini gym that they're using in their basement, and you can put a utility hook there so you don't have to take it up and down. So those are the two options for placement. How you use it in repetitions, you will start off by doing this every day, and starting off with 10 reps, and you work your way up to 60, and you would do 3 sets of those once a day. The days that you're in here doing rehab, don't worry about doing this exercise. You're going to have to do it once a day. So Carrie's going to demonstrate how we get this done. So you pull this up over your head. And for females that have longer hair, some of you might want to pull your hair over top of it so it doesn't pull on your hair and it'll go over top. And then it's an underhand grip, so your palms are facing towards your face. And this is going to be a slight knee bend, come straight down, and you're going to hold and come on up. And you can kind of breathe in and out with the exercise, and you'll do this, and come on straight back down, and up. And what this is going to do is it's going to stretch out your neck, working on stretching, improving range of motion, as well as stretching out the muscles and the soft tissue of your neck to work on getting this curvature that we need to work on, getting that corrected. So give it a couple more times so they can see it. Palms are in, and nice stretch going down. And that's the proper height for that, and this is how you do standing cervical traction. Talk to you soon on the next video.